Some of the friction we've encountered today was getting on site, opening the box, and finding that the mounting system is a lot different from the first generation. And we kind of had a head scratcher for a while trying to figure out where all these wall brackets were for the batteries. Well, as it turns out, they don't exist anymore. There's a lot of extra effort and a lot of extra holes in the wall to put all these battery mounting brackets in place, and we always felt they were kind of redundant. Well, in this iteration, they're gone. There's a much more simplified mounting system. I studied industrial design in college, and so I'm a bit of an expert, if I say so myself. These things clip together like Legos. The wire harness just kind of matches up. The cells are not very heavy. Honestly, one person can put these in by themselves, even though you're not supposed to, but they just click together. There's no wiring after the fact. They just pop, pop, pop. This should take about 45 minutes max once we've done a couple of them and we've worked out the kinks and kind of know what to look for and where. But it goes together so quickly, I think you could do it in minutes, not hours.